Guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to break down Amazon. I think we have a breakout. You're going to want to see this. Check it out. I'm going to show you how I am looking at Amazon and how I think we have a potential breakout about to happen. And I'm going to show you right from start to finish. So if you look at Amazon right on the year chart, you can see that it's had a massive run up. And I like looking at the long timelines to really start charting. So we started the 1 year, we have a view, and you can see we had a massive run up right in this area from 196 all the way up to 233, and then it pulled all the way back to 215. But notice the selling. Look at this picture. Doesn't this look like a bull flag? It rallies up, and now it's starting to consolidate. When you look at this consolidation, you want to see, okay, where's the next support level? So let's go to the 6-month chart, and let's see where it's getting close to bouncing. You can see right here around 215 that there was a level that is showing support. So look right here. Right there was resistance where Amazon failed. So I'm going to zoom in on it right there. Boom. And we are on the 6-month chart, so keep in mind that. And the next time that we saw it show support, you scroll to the right like this. And look at that. Right there, there's a spot at 216.5. So what we're going to do is we are going to highlight this right here. Let's keep moving forward. And notice it did it again right there. Right there at 215.5, there was another leg of support. So now this has my eye. We had this run up. It broke through this resistance here at 215, 216 range. Doesn't have to be perfect. Blasts all the way up 233. Comes back to retest that. It's right here. Does it again right here. Now that we've established 3 touches, 1, 2, and 3, now what we can do is look at this part and see it keeps failing and it is forming this wedge. So look at this wedge that is forming. It's an easy way to draw a chart and be able to start marking off support and resistance levels. Now that we were looking at the macro picture, we're going to start zooming in now on the micro. So look here, now we're here, and I'm using Webull just to show you guys for this charting. If Amazon can get above this level, 226, 227, it is going to start to move because buyers are going to come in and they're going to start buying up here at 227 for a move back to 233 for a retest. Now, that's not the full move we're going for here. We want to see a bigger move. We want to see this move up to 250. So maybe a 6, 7, 8% move, 10% move. What it's going to take for that is most likely earnings. But this is definitely something that we can watch. So now, if you buy these pullbacks, you know where your stop is. Your stop is going to be where? Guess what? This 215 level. So now whether you're trading options, whether you're buying shares, you know that if you were to buy Amazon, and let's say we got a little pullback, let's say we get a pullback next week, and you start buying at 220, 225, just around this range, 222, you pull back, you know that you can risk around 3%. And if it breaks below 215, you get out of the position. Or you can dollar cost average in, pyramid in, and this is your stop loss around 215. But if we break to the upside, and now we get above 226, start heading up to 233, now you have another 3% right there. So that's a 1-to-1 R. But the real move you're looking for is to make even higher highs right now. Because if you look at the overall channel trend, and it's really nice that Webull has this, you can just draw the channel trend right there. There's your trend. So now we are trading within this flat top breakout. And if we start breaking out, new highs, and you can start making money right up there. So I think this is a good way, just looking at Amazon, you can see it on the 1 month where you have your touches. So a quick review how I spotted this. I'm looking at the 5-year chart, just looking at the overall picture. Then just zoom out. Zoom back in a little bit to the 1 year. You have this movement up. Always look when a stock breaks a new high, which is right here at 215. You want to see after it breaks through, where is the next retest? Every time you have a breakout, it normally will pull back close to that position and then make a leg higher. This is your typical bull flag where you have this pattern moving up, consolidating, and it's making a controlled sell-off, just like this. And now, if Amazon breaks through here, I wouldn't be surprised. I also wouldn't be surprised a nice entry could happen if it pulls back to 220, 218, and then breaks out. And that's actually better for you. So if it goes to, let's say, 218, pulls back there, you have a nice stop, 1 to 1.6% at $215 a share, breaks that, trades over. You take your loss, no problem. Easy to have your stop loss. But now you have a potential movement up where if you get to new highs, you can maybe shed some off at 233, but keep some of your shares or contracts and then see if it makes a new higher high. That's what you're looking for. On Twitter, Amazon says that their earnings is January 30, 2025. And notice we had that nice controlled sell-off. So that's what we're looking for with Amazon. Do they have good guidance moving in the future? This could push the stock forward. Easy stop loss below 215.